Hello friends, is your car struggling to start? Do you hear the fuel pump running strangely, or not at all? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0627, this means there's a problem with the fuel pump control circuit. This issue can cause starting problems, poor fuel delivery, or even a complete engine stall. In this video, I'll explain what P0627 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0627? The P0627 code stands for Fuel Pump Control Circuit Open. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an issue with the electrical circuit controlling the fuel pump. If this problem isn't fixed, your engine may not get the fuel it needs to run properly, causing serious performance issues. Common symptoms of P0627: hard starting or no start condition, engine stalling while driving, loss of power during acceleration. Check engine light on fuel pump. Not priming, no sound from the tank. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0627, check these key components. Fuel pump. Location: inside the fuel tank or mounted externally in some vehicles. Function: pumps fuel from the tank to the engine. Fuel pump relay and fuse. Location: usually in the fuse box under the hood or inside the cabin. Function: controls power supply to the fuel pump. Fuel Pump Control Module, FPCM. Location: near the rear of the vehicle, close to the fuel tank. Function: regulates voltage and fuel pump operation based on engine demand. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function: monitors and controls fuel pump operation. Wiring and connectors for the fuel pump circuit. Location: runs from the fuel pump through the relay to the PCM. Function: transmits power and signals for fuel delivery. Tip: if the fuel pump isn't getting power, check the relay and wiring before replacing the pump. Common causes of P0627 faulty fuel pump. The pump itself is damaged and not working properly. Bad fuel pump relay, not providing power to the fuel pump. Blown fuse, cutting off power supply to the fuel pump. Faulty fuel pump control module, FPCM, not sending the correct signals to the pump. Damaged or corroded wiring, causing an open circuit or poor electrical connection. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, failure, not correctly regulating fuel pump operation. How to fix P0627? Step 1, check the fuel pump fuse and relay. Replace if faulty. Step 2, listen for the fuel pump, turn the key to on and listen for a humming sound near the tank. If silent, the pump may be dead. Step 3, inspect the fuel pump wiring. Look for damaged or corroded connections. Step 4, test the fuel pump voltage. Use a multimeter to check if it's receiving power. Step 5, check the Fuel Pump Control Module, FPCM. Scan for additional codes related to fuel delivery. Step 6, replace the fuel pump if necessary. If all else checks out, the pump itself may be bad. Step 7, reset the system and test drive the vehicle. Clear the code and check if it returns. Ignoring P0627 can lead to poor fuel delivery, engine misfires, or even complete failure to start. Fixing this issue ensures your vehicle gets the right fuel supply for smooth performance. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0508, Idle Air Control System Circuit Low. P0509, Idle Air Control System Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.